Good morning, children. This is Mrs. V here again. I'm so happy that you can make it today. Well, I'm going to get my magic wand to see who's out there in Storyland. Magic wand, who do we see? Oh, we see Maddox and Addison and Nico and Olivia and Jamar. Oh, and there's Alice and Trapper and Cherry and Bryson. Oh, and there's Lily and Abigail and Hayden and Patrick and Lou and Elisa, Finley. Oh, there's Bradley over there and Eliana and Christopher and Dominic and Michael and Ella. Oh, and there's little Miss Hadley. Well, I'm glad that all of you came to listen to my story. And my story is, But No Elephants. And this is Grandma Tildy. And she has several pets. She has a turtle and a beaver and a woodpecker and a yellow canary. And of course, there's an elephant. Well, we're going to see how these pets help her throughout her day. But No Elephants by Jerry Smith. Oh, one more thing. Since this is an interactive story, when I go like this, you're going to scream at the top of your lungs. But no elephants! Because Grandma Tildy really doesn't want any elephants. Grandma Tildy lived all alone. She worked hard every day. She had no time to play. One day a man came up to her house. He was selling pets. Would you like to buy a canary bird? Asked the man. Very well, said Grandma Tildy, but no elephants. Very good. Grandma Tildy was cooking stew. The bird wanted to help, so he sang a song for her. It made Grandma Tildy happy. That night they sat down to eat the stew together, and it tasted better than ever before. The next day the pet man came again. Would you like to buy a beaver? He asked. Very well, said Grandma Tildy, but... Grandma Tildy needed firewood, so the beaver wanted to help. So he cut the wood with his sharp teeth. That night they sat in front of a warm fire. Grandma Tildy went shopping. She met the pet man again. Would you like to buy a turtle? He asked. Very well, she said, but... Grandma Tildy was tired. The turtle wanted to help, so he carried her home on his back. That night, Grandma Tildy washed the turtle and put him to bed. The next day, it rained hard. The roof started to leak. Then someone knocked on the door. It was you-know-who. Would you like to buy a woodpecker? The pet man asked. Very well, said Grandma Tildy. The woodpecker wanted to help, so he nailed the roof down tight. The dripping stopped. There he is up on the roof. That night, they all danced together in the warm, dry house. The days got colder and colder. Grandma Tildy put food in jars for the winter. I don't like the cold, she said. Just then, the pet man appeared. Would you like to buy an elephant? He asked. He's the only animal left, and I must leave before it starts to snow. No! Shouted Grandma. She went back to her work. The pet man left. But the elephant stayed. It started to snow, and it kept on snowing. doesn't look too happy, does he? And snowing, and snowing, and snowing. No, elephant, said Grandma Tildy. But the elephant would not go. They could not see the elephant now, but they could hear him crying. They felt sad. Very well, said Grandma Tildy. You may come in. The elephant was as happy as he could be, and he's rolling around in the snow. But the elephant had a problem. He could not get through the door. So they all helped to push him in. Oh dear, said Grandma Tildy. I hope the floor is strong. This is a very old house. Outside, the snow kept falling, but inside the house, it was cozy and warm. Everyone hoped winter would go away and spring would come soon. That night, there was a terrible crash. Crash! What do you think it was? Do you think it was the elephant? The elephant had fallen through the floor. We cannot fix this, said Grandma. You will just have to stay there. The winter was long, and soon the firewood was gone. The elephant was always hungry. He kept eating and eating and eating until all the food was gone. We cannot leave or we will freeze, said Grandma Tildy. We cannot stay or we will starve. What are we to do? The elephant felt sorry. Then he thought of a way to help. He started to walk. So he's taken the house along with him. He walked and walked and walked and walked. It says they're going south. Do you think the south has warmer weather there? When he stopped, they were in a warm, sunny place. Doesn't it look like a very, very happy place? And look what the banner says. It says, "Welcome, elephants." And that is where Grandma Tildy and her friends are today. And they're as happy as can be. Well, I hope you enjoyed this story. As you can see, all the animals helped Grandma Tildy. So we should all be very good helpers. Well, thank you for listening, and I will see you very soon. Bye.